Christian, hurry.
It's not wet. My foot stuck it all up.
Oh yeah, cause your seat's wet from when we had to get up from because the firework was about to come towards us. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yippee!
I don't want to hit them.
It won't happen, Christian. They're thin enough.
Because
They're lighting 4. They're lighting 4 of them.
oh, great.
Oh. Hey, Davey. How you doing?
Fire. There's a fire.
Oh, there's a fire.
There's a fire.
Fire! Yeah, we're at like 45.
Hey, how you doing?
Oops, I went one over there. We're at like a 45% death rate right now.
Doing 4.
No, I think that's 5. That's 6.
That's 6.
Some
Not the Lido, but from a closer view.
Yeah.
Lighting.
3 of them. 4. This is over.
Is it under my chair then?
I don't know.
Oh, dang. The finale.
This is the finale.
Is that a big one?
La finale. Le finale.
I really hope it's a big one.
Looks like it.